Hi, welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making an incredibly easy to make and delicious sandwich, French dip au jus. For the ingredients, get yourself some really good rolls. Equally important, some really good roast beef, then some provolone cheese and store-bought au jus mix. To make this dish, prep your roast beef and cut the rolls. Then boil some water to make your au jus. Dip the roast beef and then put the warm roast beef right into a roll. Prep for this dish is incredibly easy. Simply pull apart the roast beef to make it easier for when you dip it. Also, you might want to cut your rolls while you're at it. I like a good bread knife. Step 1 of this incredibly easy dish is to get 3 cups of water boiling. Doesn't even have to be a full boil. Once you see the bubbles come up, add the au jus mix. Give it a good stir. While the au jus mix is finishing, now's a good time to put the provolone at the bottom of the rolls. Now that it's a full boil, I'm going to turn it down to medium. Now we come to basically the only cooking that's involved in this dish. Dip your roast beef right into the au jus. So stir it around for a few seconds so it's basically warm. I'm not trying to cook it, just warm it up. Pull some out. Put it right on your sandwich. Now ladle some of that au jus out for dipping. There we have the Adjunct's Kitchen take on the French dip au jus. Great sandwich for lunch or dinner, can be made in less than 5 minutes. Well, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes to be made on the show, please leave them in the comments section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!